The day starts early in Morehead City. There's freight to move, connections to make, 317 miles of track to manage, all in the service of supporting and strengthening North Carolina's economy. The North Carolina Railroad Company owns and manages this rail corridor that stretches from the Atlantic coast through many of the state's growing communities and cities. It serves as a vital piece of our national rail system, providing links for freight moving in all directions, and passenger rail service throughout the eastern seaboard. Perhaps most important, railroads are a magnet for growth and job creation that benefit every citizen in the state, which is why it's crucial to preserve all 3,000 miles of railroad corridors statewide, and to work closely with communities along each line as they plan for this growth. From the development and revitalization of our cities and small towns to the recruitment of large new employers with good-paying jobs, the North Carolina Railroad is part of a coordinated effort across the state to ensure the ongoing vibrancy of our economy and secure a thriving quality of life. The company is in a unique position to maximize those kinds of opportunities. The North Carolina Railroad is a private company with a mission to work for the good of our single shareholder, the people of North Carolina. To that end, we combine more than 165 years of success with a collaborative 21st century approach that puts a premium on flexibility and proactive solutions. That means being an effective partner with North Carolina's economic development community, making capital improvements to the railroad needed to maintain North Carolina's competitive advantage, coordinating with communities on land use decisions in order to properly manage and protect the corridor, and investing in strategic projects on all of the state's rail corridors to bring even more jobs to the state. We know that the North Carolina Railroad is an essential and irreplaceable asset for North Carolina, and we take seriously our responsibility to manage and maintain it for generations to come, because North Carolina's growing economy never sleeps. The North Carolina Railroad Company is proud to be an engine of that growth, and we are committed to keeping our state rolling in the right direction.